everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can make your very own plant-based dairy-free cheese. So if you've ever tried to give up cheese in the past, maybe you're trying to adopt a vegan diet, you may have noticed yourself uttering the words, "I can't, cheese is too good, it's my weakness." Well, the reason for this is that cheese is actually addictive because of something called casomorphins. So casomorphins are the protein fragments derived from the digestion of the milk protein casein. And casomorphins produce an opioid effect, which gives you a sense of euphoria. So when you say cheese is your weakness or I'm addicted to cheese, it's actually true. And that's why today I'm going to show you how you can make your very own cheese that's just as pleasurable, easy to make. It's going to take only about 5 minutes, and it's also easy on the gut. So all those slew of issues that tend to come with dairy, ear infections, acne, inflammation, all those things are not going to come from plant-based cheeses, especially when you make it yourself and you ferment it. So we're going to do that right now. I'm going to show you how to make a coconut crumble cheese. Okay, so now our beautiful coconut crumble cheese should be ready to be enjoyed. So we're going to go ahead and grab a plate to place our cheese upon, or you can use a bowl or a Tupperware, whatever works for you. And we're just going to go ahead and take your cheese, open up your nut milk bag, and then you're going to gently take your beautiful coconut cheese. It's already starting to crumble, just like its name. I'm gonna put that on the plate. Then we can discard this for later. So as you can see, and you wanna make sure and handle this with clean hands, it kind of crumbles apart. Now this right now is still fairly moist, but what's gonna happen is you're going to place this, you can put plastic wrap on top of your plate, or like I said, you can put it in a Tupperware or mason jar, and you're gonna go ahead and place this in the fridge overnight. And what's gonna happen is it's gonna harden. And then when you take it out, what's gonna happen is it's gonna have the same texture as kind of a loose feta cheese. So like I said, it's just gonna kind of crumble, and it's gonna go so beautifully on top of like a spinach salad with fresh strawberries. So anytime you would use maybe feta cheese or maybe just like a spread on a cracker, this is gonna work perfectly, and it's also gonna be easy on the gut too. So there you go, your beautiful coconut crumble cheese. So I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this now actually. And I hope you enjoy this recipe as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure and subscribe to Color Me Kale right here on YouTube, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you'd like, you can also share this video with friends and family and spread the health.